No, I cannot believe it. Like it was basically one-shotted, so it's working. No way. So the Anything Hackathon is currently live and running, and I want to try it. I want to give it a shot and build something. I actually have a mobile app idea. It's quite simple, but I wanted to build it for some times, and I mean, this is the perfect moment to build it. Only thing is that this should be like the last day because it has been running for the last couple of weeks, but I just become aware of it. And so I gotta move very, very quick because, yeah, time is running out. So let's start. I'm gonna remove the quick glasses and so I've been like talking with Gemini for the last 10 to 20 minutes about my app idea, and it helped quite a lot to refine the specs, the requirements. I mean, we got to move very quick, so this is going to be really vibed, and like the AI is going to make most of it. The most important thing he provided was this prompt that is the one we are going to use to design the application, the mobile app. And yeah, basically, I won't go very into details of it, but it's going to be like a calisthenics app to track session, to track yeah, training. I'm going to start by designing it using Slick Design. I mean, I'm not going to design it, but Slick is going to do it. And as I said, I'm not going to explain everything related to this app because in probably less than a minute we are going to visualize it thanks to Slick Design, and so you can actually see what the app is about. After we are like good, we are happy with the results. I mean, probably we are going to through some iteration using Slick for the design. After that, we can take what Slick designed, and the next step will be to actually build it with Epic. We are not doing really to build on to code or anything like that. We are just going to talk and copy and paste around. And I'm quite curious because it's basically the first time I do something like from zero to hopefully production in this way, completely vibed. But let's see. Ooh, that's nice. Even better than what I thought. Okay, this is quite cool. It's probably more complex than what I was thinking about. I mean, in terms of feature, like I really like it. I was thinking about maybe doing something a little bit simpler, but let's see. It it makes sense. This is so cool because, as I told you, I didn't have to explain you what was the app about in detail, but you can now see it, and it's quite cool. I really like this. I really love this design style. So basically, we have the homepage, the dashboards. We can create different routines, and that's cool. Quite easy, simple. The routine can have inside the different type of exercises, and those could be basically uh, Hemom sessions or sets per reps or sets per times. Cool, so cool. And yeah, I think this is not everything because they were a seven screen, but we just asked. So let's say to Slick, thanks. Always be kind with AI, and thanks. Now, please let's proceed with the missing screen. Uh, wow, I really like it. So bold. I cannot wait to use it. I hope it will be ready in, I don't know, an hour, maybe, so I can go to the gym and use it actually. Okay, it's cool. I really love it. Simple, but of course we can see like in the last screen there are some spacing issues. So this is basically active session A and B. It's when you are like performing a session, let's say, when you're training. Cool. Skip rest and start imam. Okay. Cool. Set one. We can reduce, probably we have to reduce a little bit this text size. Okay. Maybe even there. Probably it's better to put them, I don't know, like flex code, probably. For now, it's cool like that. I mean, we can even ask you the EI here, but I'm quite happy with the result. Okay, I just want it to. I have an idea to make it even nicer. So let's say on active session B and active session C, please make the minutes black and only the seconds red. Let's see. Cool, cool. I mean, I love it. I really love it. Guys, I'm super excited. I want to see it live and to be able to use it. I want it really, I'm not kidding. I want it to be on the App Store. So let's see. Let's understand the flow if it may work because we have a homepage. Maybe let's use the preview to see everything. We have the homepage here with active calls recovery. Probably, I'd say probably we are going to remove these. I mean, active calls and recovery because it's maybe too challenging as a feature to track it for now. But everything else, it's cool. It's cool. One thing, let's let's change here maybe here in weekly frequency. The current day square should be red. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yes. Even better right now. Even better. Guys, I really love it. Wow. Okay, so we have the routines there. And yeah, that's it. Basically, routine, the routine editor. Cool. Select types. Okay. I think it makes sense. We can start with it and then iterate, but I really love it. So yeah. I just want to update the font to see if there is something maybe cooler here. Let me zoom a little bit more. Plus Jakarta Sans is cool, but maybe not the best here. Poppins, yes, nice, but not here. What we can use? Tricky choice. No, this one is too way big, too bold, maybe even for this. I mean, too tight. Let's do space grotesque. Yeah, I mean, we can still change it later. So yeah, let's go with it. I think I'm fine with this design. The only thing I have some doubts about it's this dashboard screen, the first one, because like maybe those active calories recoveries stats are too difficult to elaborate for now, maybe. But yeah, we can use it and then iterate on top of it, maybe if the builder is not able to do it. By the way, I've already like talked with Gemini to help me craft the prompt for anything. Basically, anything has a little limitation. You cannot like type more than 20,000 characters in the chat. Since we are going to use the Slick design as reference, these, I mean, if we pass every design there, every screen, we are going for sure to go above this threshold. And yeah, I just talked with Gemini to overcome these, and we are going, basically, the plan is that we are going to talk with create the anything like AI, but in discussion mode, so we can basically iterate and talk, and one by one we share everything related to the project. So the specs and also the design from Sleek Design, and then after that, we can just tell it, okay, build it, and we maybe set Max, the coding agent that will do its stuff. So let's copy the prompt that Gemini prepared for us. And okay, this is the first prompt. We are going to paste it here. Basically, the main thing is that we can consider Slick Design as an actual designer, not a coder. And this phase, it's kind of an end off. So what would happen in, I mean, in a company would be that the designer design the app, the sketches, the mockups, and so on, and then he will provide to the developer who will actually implement it. This is exactly what we are going to do now, but to do that, the reference we are going to give to anything is the actual an intermediate actual like representation. It's not the final code, but it's a kind of code that anything it's able to understand that represents the design. Yeah, let's see. So we already told it. Okay, it answered. So now we need to basically pass all the design of this 7 screen. First thing is that we need to provide the theme, that it's basically this one. We say this is the theme of the project. Then we say dashboard. First screen is dashboard, and we paste it. Second screen, what it was, routine library. Routine library, and we paste it, and so on. I'm going to probably like speed it up because you don't want to see me paste 8 screen, but see you in a while. Okay, I think I pasted everything. Now I pasted also the latest part of the prompt to it, and let's do it. Maybe this is going to take a little bit, or maybe not. In the meanwhile, I think I'm going to refill the water. I'm so curious to see what it's going to happen. Wow. I hope it will work. I'm confident, but let's see. Oh, I'm so curious. Please, please, please load. No way. I mean, this is actually working. Not everything pro. No way. Oh, this works. No, I cannot believe it. Like it was basically one-shotted. Like maybe not every feature it's working correctly, but it does work. And I'm going to download it on the phone right now because I think I'm going to go to the gym right now and test it on the real field. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. So there are something to add, but I think I can just keep prompting and it will work. For example, we have I like it. There's missing some red. Okay, for example, the current day should be red in the home page. The there are squares in the weekly frequency. The square of the current day should be red. Yeah, as I thought, like active calls and recovery are kind of hard coded, but it's fine for now. I mean, wow. We have quick EMOM here. Cool, so cool. For example, full body mix. Okay, I think what is missing is that to make it actually usable. Right now, the only working thing, it's probably quick EMOM, and that's nice. But probably we want to also like make the routine working, at least start them. Maybe they are already working, but we need to start them. So I guess there should be a start button somewhere, and that's it. And probably a way to rename the routines and exercises, and we are there basically. Okay, I'm going to start writing the prompt to implement this while this is going to make the weekly frequency colored, by the way. So it does work. It's functional. It works. Like as you can see now in weekly frequency, we have 1 out of 7, and before it was 0 out of 7. So it's working. No way. Oh, first the start button, start routine, rename, edit, delete. Okay. Rename, like let's say push ups. It works. Okay, maybe we need to fix this one because it's kind of functional, but maybe the logic it's not correct 100%. So let's tell anything what's broken, and I think it will fix it. So how we can say it? Okay, just prompted it to fix the functional stuff that are not working right now, but I'm already happy with it. Of course, it needs to work to be 100% happy, But I'm quite confident we are going to get there because I mean this has been like 3 prompts and it's cool. It's quite cool already. So I'm going to grocery shopping, and how crazy is that I can keep using like anything while walking, while going there, because I mean they released the mobile app and it's working quite well. You can see it. It's basically updating my app right now while I talk, and it's amazing. So crazy times. I mean, I'm going to grocery shopping because otherwise no dinner, and while I walk I'm building a mobile application. It's crazy, man. So it's 7 a.m. Currently going to the gym. It's quite cold here in Milan, but by the way, I already created the routines. Today I'm gonna do the routine A. I'm quite excited, like I'm going to use it, and this is the day after. I mean, I started creating it yesterday and it's already live and usable. Crazy.